Ollie's got a snail on his car. Here, Mum. I've given him a friend. There you go. You can be snail buddies. Hi, I'm Adam C, and welcome to a very loud Triumph GT6. We are on our way to the Wilton Wake Up, which today is for iconic performance cars. So, I don't know, is this...
It's iconic.
It's iconic, it's got
British sports car.
It's got performance.
Sort of.
Some performance.
Somewhere.
Yeah. So, it'll be interesting to see what kind of cars turn up. I'd imagine it's just like Escort Cosworths, maybe. So, it's a nice day for now. It has been raining, so the ground is wet. And it might rain in the afternoon, but it's a breakfast meet, so we're just going to be there for the morning. As much as I'd like to be in one of my cars, the MG needs quite a bit of work doing to it, and the Cobra needs a new radiator. So I'm not in any of my cars, I'm in the GT6, but that's alright. So the GT6 has 4 gears and no overdrive. So motorway speeds, the revs quite high, and the fumes will probably make us quite high. And a lot of this journey is just motorway, flat out. Let's put some music on. Oh, pull for boost. Yeah. Yes.
Oh, well done, it's going! Turn it up, turn it up!
I'll push it in.
Oh.
There you go. Shots fired! Shots fired! Yeah, we found an E-Type Series 3 2+2 hard top, and it's a V12. Bye bye. Lots of cars. Lots of cars. I've entered OSV. F430. Are we not allowed?
Chocolate block, mate, sorry.
So what, are we going home?
I mean, you can park in.
It's only a small car.
I know. We've got a lot of small cars like
I can imagine.
Yeah.
And what about next to that Audi on the field there, on the grass, next to the Audi? Basically, I'm a good sweet talker. Please let us in, darling. There's an F40 over there. There is a Cobra. Looks like a Dax. Try not to run over someone. That's VTSV. Oh look, there's the slow code. Made it. Yeah, the way we know it's Sean is he's vaping. Right. Hello. Just walk in front of you. Nice hair.
Thank you very much.
Apparently they've been turning away Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Porsches, all sorts, just because it's completely full. So I did well at sweet talking Ollie's way in.
You did.
Got to get that Instagram shot.
Yeah.
Oh no, the Aventador SV's leaving. I can put that in the car's leaving video. Link at the end of this one, as always. Looks very similar to mine. It's got the rivets, fake rivets in the bonnet. Oh, it's an AK, it's not a DAX. This is an AK427. Very similar kit, same kind of dimensions and everything. They're both kind of on par with each other. He's got the splitter at the front, which I'm personally not a fan of, but yeah, it looks good. It's got a 3-litre CSL, lovely. F40, lovely. Oh, Cobra 289, Series 1 E-Type. There's a Koenigsegg. Oh, it's the same Agera we saw at Goodwood last week. The Bristol Fighter, Gullwing doors, 570F Spider. There are so many people here, it's never been this busy. Here's the grounds, here's Wilson House, lovely, beautiful, blah blah blah. Project 7, quite rare. Ferrari F430 behind some crowd. Oh, there's another Cobra. Oh, I would have brought mine if it was working. This looks quite nice. So Factory 5 is an American kit company, and this is the only convertible Factory 5 Cobra in the country. It's a very impressive car, very impressive kit. Yes, it trumps mine. We got an Aston Martin GT8, TVR Griffith, 350Z, Maserati Coupe, a Noble M12 GTO, and another one, got a 3R next to it, a bit like my dad's. Oh, a gap in the crowd, and it's gone. Well, there's the Koenigsegg. Is that a Black Series? SLS Black Series? SLS with some wings. Ooh, Sierra Cosworth. Not a RS 500, but still nice. Cars are leaving already, so I'm being fast so I can get some cars leaving for you in my separate video. RX-8 is leaving, Ducks, red DB5, some cars leaving. We have 2 Supras and an R34 GTR and an NSX over there. There you go. JDM Legends. Renault 5 Turbo. Yellow Performante and an Evo doing a flyby. A DAX Cobra with a very similar number plate to my one. Lovely. Oh no, the Sierra Cosworth leaving, that means I should probably go to the exit. There's a very dirty 124 Spider. F12 TDF next to a 458. So that's kind of a whistle-stop tour of what's here. Because amazing cars are leaving, so I'm going to walk across these flowers to catch them leaving. But once again, a link at the end of this video for the cars leaving video, because that's going to be a very long video. I need to find a position to stand at. Ah, it's VTSV with his new haircut. Murcielago, oh my god, a Murcielago. Oh, TR6, I don't know, what's the film? And Mr. Adam.
Yes.
There you go.
Yeah, I know.
Please focus, please focus, please focus, please focus. Viper, I love Vipers. Oh my god, look at that MGB. It's very, very custom. What's an MGC? It's weird. You got your whole life ahead of you, don't do it. You've got no road sense. Did your mum not know, you see? Did your mum not teach you? Oh, duck crossing! Oh no! Ah! Ah! Oh, the ducks! Ah! They almost died. We should be a lolly duck lady. Well done, Ollie. Well done, Ollie. So we are now going to go for a drive around the New Forest Finder pub. I am going to hop in the Ferrari if that's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fine.
I'm going to drive a seat. Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's rather busy, isn't it? Noble. So we found an echoey village. Ollie's making some pops behind us. Lovely day for it. Oh, it sounds so good. There's Ollie. Oh no, the strap's in the way.
Oh no!
Oh no. Ooh, very weird, interesting, cool van. All the classics are out. Look at that! Mercedes. Oh, Mark 1 Escorts. Oh, that sounded good. Rover.
What's going on, Adam?
Oh my god. Oh, Stratos. Wow. Lovely.
Donkeys.
They are horses.
They are horses. I was just testing you.
Ah, cows!
Oh my god, steak! I love steak.
Oh, should we have some steak?
Oh, steak.
Good afternoon! So a nice little drive through the New Forest. We're now going to the pub to get some food because it's lunchtime. Feels like we've had most of the day, but no, it's still early. Driving road, a nice car, sunshine, windows down. Epic. Pub. Are there any nice cars?
Oh my god, it's so quiet.
No. Yeah. There's no one outside. There's one person outside.
I'll grab your cutlery and your other.
Thank you.
This is gammon with pineapple
why
and
have
egg.
you got pineapple? Because
Goes with gammon.
Right, say bye to VTSV, Blondie.
Bye.
Bye.
Stein.
Ja, ja.
Grad.
Du bist sehr schwul.
Ich wundere dich.
Good.
Alles klar.
Everyone is watching us leave. Ferrari, Meridian, Modena. We want to go right, don't we? Yeah. And I should conclude the video here because we're just heading home. The sun's gone in the clouds and we're just making noises. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for a weekly list of all the car shows that I know about, like the one we went to today at Wilton House. But for now, thanks for watching. Thank you.